coming up. So we are going to, usually it's our mom making us food every day, but today we're going to be making the food. So because on Mother's Day we don't want our mom to get super duper tired. And Amanda, guess what we're gonna make?
Pizza?
Yeah, you got it right, pizza. First we have to cut some fresh fruit and vegetables. Amanda, what are you cutting?
Banana.
And I'm cutting tomatoes. Amanda!
Yes.
Your bananas are too big.
What's that?
Yeah, they're too big. You have to cut them smaller.
What? That's a whole Rubik's Cube. Whoa, that's too ready.
I'm going to show you what ingredients we need. We're not going to need water. It's just that Amanda's thirsty sometimes. Don't put it on the edge. Alright. So, you're going to need bread, tomato sauce, cheese, and then the toppings.
Banana.
Yeah. Amanda cutted the bananas because she wants to put bananas on her pizza.
Yesy.
Alright, Amanda, let's start. So, here, you first take a bread, alright? And now you get a spoon of tomato sauce, okay? And spread it over the bread.
Spread.
Do you think that's enough or more? It's a bit too much now.
Mine is not too much. Because look, it's white.
Second step, I see Amanda's already getting us some cheese. This is the fun part. Amanda likes this and I like this. So you can use the cheese and ingredients to make smiley faces or rainbows for anything. You can draw like a picture on your pizza, right?
Me too googly eyes.
I thought your bananas were gonna be your eyes.
Googly eyes. Googly eyes. Here we go. Now the smiley.
We have other ingredients too for the pizza. Amanda, we have other ingredients. Don't just only do that. I need to take some long strips.
And then I'm going to use banana for the nose.
Oh, then what about it?
I hope my face doesn't break off.
All right, next step.
Because I love my tomato.
All right, the next step, you can do anything you want, really. You just have to get some things. You just have to get the other ingredients.
Hey, I got them.
If you have them.
Mommy, could I eat a banana?
I am.
Me too. I got it.
And cheese. Let's decorate our pizza with the toppings.
Cool goodie.
You're not supposed to be eating them, they're for the pizza. But if you want, you can eat a little bit.
Palm tree.
Oh, is that you with the palm tree?
Yes.
What's this on your head then?
Palm tree. Palm tree.
Alright, what's gonna be the eyes?
We have cheesy.
Yeah.
We bake a little cheek.
A little cheek.
Ah!
So now, finally, we Amanda just said she just made that for fun. And that too. And that one's hers. She made it's a picture of her. And her eyeball is under her hair. So, and that's her palm tree, if you look on her head. And this is what I made. And this is a person too. And then this is a heart. And that's a person
Now,
too. My oven is 350 degrees. Now we can put the pizzas in the oven. Alright, our pizza's ready. Now it's time for the last step. You eat it. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Lift your hands in the air.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
How does it taste, Amanda? Good?
Goody.
Yeah. You only drank the water so far. What does it taste like? You haven't took a bite out of it, though. So how do you know?
That's so goody.
I'm gonna eat all the tomatoes first. Is it yummy?妈妈，母亲节快乐！